You must have seen the horrifying attack of predatory animals and how they tear apart and eat their prey. Hardly a day passes in the forest when a hunter does not create havoc. But today's video is going to be a little different because today we are going to show you some such attack by predatory animals that will send chill down your spine. Because in these animals do not just attack this prey but also tear their bodies into so many pieces that watching them can shake your mind. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the video.
Also press this bell icon.
Lions hunting warthog. Here a lioness is digging the soil with her paws so that she can hunt a warthog by pulling it out from under the soil. Two more lionesses are sitting nearby as they wait for the warthog to emerge from the mud. In a short while, another lioness also reaches there and she too starts trying to drive away the warthog. Her hard work will soon pay off and success in catching the warthog hiding in the mud. The lioness brings out the warthog and pounces upon it as if it has been hungry for many days. Because the warthog is caught so tightly that the poor warthog screams in pain, and in no time the up lioness complete crushes its body, tears it into many parts. Wild dog attacks oryx. We all know about wild dogs that they live in packs and are such beasts that start chewing their prey alive. In this video, wild dogs tear their prey into so many pieces that watching them can send chill down your spine. Like here's an oryx trapped among wild dogs and trying to get away from them. The oryx looks so helpless in front of these dogs as if today is the last day of this life. Because the wild dogs scratch its body in such a way that the oryx gets completely injured. Though he tries to scare them off with these horns, before attacks are successful, a dog grabs hold of the horn and begins biting him on the neck. One dog is scratching it from the front while the other dogs are biting it from behind. Oryx remains trapped between these dogs for a long time and the dogs keep eating the flesh from its body. Hyena attacks impala. Like wild dogs, hyena is also a hunter who gives a very bad death to his prey. He gives such painful death to his prey that even death tremble for sometimes after seeing it. Here a hyena has caught an impala. The hyena has held the impala so tightly that impala is unable to stand up from its place and keeps lying down, losing the battle of its life. At the same time, Thor keeps watching a leopard, a hyena and an impala from a distance. The hyena scratches the impala badly that the body of the impala gets completely injured and a big wound is formed on its body. But despite such a deep wound, the impala tries its best to escape from it, but this hyena is so cruel that it blocks all its path and start eating its body by tearing it apart.